Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome to Amma's Healthy Recipes. The recipe for the day is Kerala style Pacha Manga Chammanthi or raw mango chutney. Raw mangoes are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and magnesium, which is helpful in releasing toxins from your body. The presence of vitamin A makes it good for skin and hair. It is also a good source of plant based fiber. Let's check out the recipe. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, like and share. See you soon with a new video. Bye.